Okay, hi guys, welcome. Here's our Saxon Lesson 5. Here's our lesson for Lesson 5, Saxon, for today. Today is Wednesday, September 9th. Yeah, September 9th. Okay, let's go over our sight word cards. Okay, I'm going to show you and you're going to read them out loud. I'm not going to read them, okay? So I'm just going to flip right through real quickly. Okay, I went through those real quickly. I didn't want to give you time to sound them out. These are sight word cards. Sight word cards are words. I'm sorry, sight words. Sight word cards. Yes, I was right the first time. And these are words for you to you have to memorize because there is not always a spelling pattern for them. So they're words that you have to know how to read and write really quickly. Okay. All right. Let's go over our letter cards. I show you the cards and you say what the cards are out loud. Now let's go over, before we go over the cards real quickly. Vowel, A-E-I-O-U, and sometimes Y. Very good. Everything that's not A-E-I-O-U is a consonant. Okay, so here are our vowels. You need to say them out loud. Okay, I'm just going to show you the cards. Good. Now here are our consonants. Remember, if we were in class, I would want to hear you say this out loud. So if you're at home, you still need to say these letters out loud, okay? Very good. Okay, now let's go over our picture cards. Okay, I say you repeat after me. We're going over our short vowel sounds and our long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds have a breathe. Long vowel sounds have a macron. Short vowel sounds say the sound of the letter A. Long vowel sounds say the letter name, A. Okay, so let's go over it. Apple, A. You have to repeat after me. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, O. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Very good. All right, now I need you guys to grab your spelling and high frequency word practice paper. That paper looks like this. Okay. All right, it says practice 5 at the top, by the way. All right, so I'm going to tell you what to write on each. I'm going to give you the sounds, and you're going to write down the letter on the line, okay? So the first one, for number 1, I want you to write apple, A. Apple, A. you're going to code it correctly. That's short vowel sound. So what do you put on top of that? A breathe. Very good. Elephant, eh. Icicle, I. Octopus, ah. Umbrella, apple, I'm sorry, acorn, a. Icicle, I. Overalls, O. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. All right, so here's 1 through 10. I'm going to show you my paper just in case. So you can make sure that you have everything written down on your paper that's written down on mine. Okay? You can pause the video here if you'd like. All right, moving on. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Remember, kite, K. There's two sounds that make the K sound. There's the K, so you have to write K, comma, C with the back on it. Okay, why C with the back on it? Because if you ever see a C that makes the K sound, you have to code it with the back. Because C is a tricky letter that can make two sounds. It can make K and it can make S. So if the letter C makes K, you put it back on it the way I did. Okay? Moving on. 17, lion, ol. 18, monkey, 19, nest, 20, pig, p. Show you the paper. If you want to pause it here to make sure you have everything, go ahead. Moving on. 21, rabbit, sun, s. Tent, t. Vest, v. Wagon, w. Yarn, y. Zebra, z. Fox, x. That one is tricky because you're not going to write, I'm sorry, fox, x. Very good, because you're going to write the letter X. That one makes a silly sound. X. Okay. Your paper should look like this. Yes, 20 is blank. I see that. That's okay. If you need time to pause your paper, pause it now. To pause your screen. That's funny. I said pause your paper. Okay. I'm getting tired. All right. Here we go. On the back of that paper, you're going, oh, there's nothing on the back of that paper, so you don't have to do anything there. The next page says Assessment 1. That means that's where you're going to take your test. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, for number 1, I want you to write apple, ah. I'm not going to show you how that looks. This is a test. You need to write it by yourself. So you have to write it with the right coding, okay? Number 2, I'm going to ask you to write elephant, eh. Okay? For section 3, I want you to circle all of the vowels. All of the letters that are vowels, I want you to circle. I'm not going to tell you what they are. Okay, number 4, if you need to pause that video, then pause it. Number 4, circle all of the consonants. Consonants. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video now. In section 5, you're going to code those words. So you're going to code the words sit, tax, hog, and beg. You're going to code them. You either code them with a breve or a macron, okay? Are those vowels long or short? For the next section, number 6 through 14, I'm going to give you a letter sound, and you are going to write down that letter with the correct coding. For number 6, I want you to write acorn, equal, icicle, overall, unicorn. Now I want you to write apple, octopus, umbrella, and the last one, inch. Very good. All right, so that paper that says assessment 1, I want you to take a picture of it, and you're going to send that to my email, okay? The back of that paper right here, you're just going to code all of those words, number 15 through 24. Those words are taught, gap, sop, ill, ram, kilt, lug, lead, yam, wax. So I'm going to ask you to code those words for me. You're going to take a picture of the front and the back and send it to me, please. Okay? All right, awesome. Thank you, guys. See you later. Have fun learning.